Hello, welcome back in first project. And in first project, use Laravel 8 and our system in first project. In all project, we create a powerful system and use all method. Before start the project, I open GitHub and down and save the Udemy Laravel and source in GitHub and one file udemy laravel.zip. You can download this source file of Udemy Laravel. Okay. For start, I start out new Laravel and install this Laravel. For this get start install and refresh and install with composer require install new project and this and in this shift and open shift. Okay, and this used paste this and name Udemy project. Okay, if create and download in Laravel and install in desktop. Okay, I open this and close this window and download Laravel version 8.5. Wait to install. I stop the video for complete install. Okay, install is complete and we can start this. Open directory of Laravel Udemy project and the PHP artisan and artisan serve and just run. So it is okay and running the Laravel project, and in PHP store you can see this and project file. Okay, for in Laravel 7 Laravel used authenticate Laravel UI, and in Laravel 8 and upper Laravel use the Laravel jetstream. Open the authentication in security authentication. We can use all these and down how it works, jetstream and other. Just run composer require Laravel jetstream and run this in Laravel. Okay, wait to install and continue the Laravel jetstream is install. After install, we can access jetstream install in artisan command. PHP artisan and in PHP artisan can't find. Just use our jetstream jetstream install. I use this and use in for Livewire for inertia, and I use Livewire install Livewire, and migration created successfully, and this creating application with include and view resource layout and resource view aus. Okay, it is generate in this IDA. Okay, and resource view and in authenticate and this, and if refresh in project error have database Laravel. Needed the database and set database. Before set database, I run npm and npm install and npm run dev. Okay, and wait to install, and after this run npm run php migrate, change database to create new database, Udemy project. Okay, and Udemy project. Okay, and set this Udemy project. Okay, this is running npm install view template and compiler, and run this. Wait to compile. I stop video to download and compile and continue. Okay, install in Laravel mix and install other, and it is okay. For start, I use PHP artisan and migrate. Okay, create table users, create table password, create table two-factor clone, create table field job and personal access and session. I run this desktop. Added register or login. Register and change the view. We can register a new user, and before register I refresh this table, and user session save it in session, and we can see session, and we can use this IP address, this, and browser this, and payload this, and ID this. Personal access token, password migration, password reset, and user added new field in two-factor secret, two-factor profile photo path, and other, and current item ID. For example, we can create new user Tawhid and email this, I want to, and use register, and register user in this. You can see this and this. If clicking this and go to profile, we can see new, and we can change update password, current password, and new password, and we can use two-factor enable, and browser session, Windows, Firefox, and ID this device, and we can delete account. Okay, for a change and added method, I open a web.php and see route middleware as this. Now open this HTTP middleware and open kernel and see these to check for added or and not added. Okay, authentication, redirect to this and redirect to dashboard after login, this dashboard, and get view dashboard, name dashboard. Okay, and get profile and profile. Open the view dashboard and this. I see this dashboard data, and we can remove this and refresh and remove these. We can remove this and other. Okay, I say step in this and navigation and route dashboard, profile photo, as user profile photo, user can add a user profile and profile photo. Change this. I see this in navigation down. For start, we can use of this. I log out and a register page. Register blade, and we can see register data and use this code, value name and a form action, send it to this data and this logo. We can remove this or we can change this. If refresh and inspect, and use logo, we can remove this or we can use this. For example, I remove this and added img and source. I added in public new img logo svg Udemy, this, and added logo dot svg, and if refresh and see this, and we can width 20 pixel. If refresh Udemy and okay, and we can change this in login page. If on login page exists, login page, and we can use login page. Okay, and login page refresh, it is Udemy. We can change this, send to route login, email, password, and password request. In login page, we can access this route. Okay, I see that the what is or see that jetstream, what is jetstream, and how to install in Laravel, and how to use in login or user or register it in Laravel. And we can see this and continue with this, and in other, and we can see these other data for Laravel, and show profile, use profile, two-step, and other data in this. And in next lecture I added a Google Auth for project.